Versions let you create multiple color grades per clip, which can then be compared side by side, helping you decide which is best. Versions also allow you to grade many clips at once, saving time and effort. There are two types of versions in DaVinci Resolve, local and remote. Local versions are unique to a clip. Each clip can have multiple local versions, each with its own node tree. Remote versions are shared by all clips that come from the same source clip in the media pool. Because of this, grading one clip grades all clips from the same source clip, saving you tons of time. And like local versions, multiple remote versions can be created. The default mode is to use local versions. The default local version for each clip is version 1. Right-click any clip's thumbnail in the timeline, and you'll see it selected in the menu, right under Local Versions. When you color grade a clip, you are by default creating version 1, whether you know it or not. To create a new local version, right-click on the clip, select Local Versions, Create New Version. Assign a name or accept the default. The new version inherits the grade of the current version. To start fresh, from the Color menu, select Reset All Grades and Nodes. Perform your grade. There are two ways to switch to using remote versions. The easiest is to switch the timeline into that mode. Right-click on any clip and select Use Remote Grades. Now every clip has been switched to using remote versions. Any local grades you may have created on clips are no longer visible. It's as though all your work is lost, but it's not. The local versions on those clips can be reloaded by right-clicking on each clip and loading the appropriate local version, or, more bluntly, by switching the timeline back to using local versions by selecting Use Local Grades. The other way to switch to using remote versions is to switch over specific clips only. First, filter the timeline so only clips from the same source clip in the media pool are visible. Select the clip in the timeline that comes from the source clip. From the Clips menu in the toolbar at the top, select Common Media Pool Source. To switch all clips to using remote versions, click on the clip to activate the thumbnail timeline, and press Command-A or Control-A in Windows to select all the clips. Then right-click on the thumbnail and load the desired remote version, or create a new one. To remove filtering, select all clips from the Clips menu. The default remote version is version 1. I'll create a simple grade. All clips in the timeline that come from the same source clip in the media pool have been graded. If the project has multiple timelines, all clips from the same source file in those timelines are graded as well, providing that the timeline has been switched to using remote grades, or that the individual clips have been switched over. A timeline can be switched to using remote grades at any time, and the clips will be graded. Nothing will have to be redone. To create a new remote version, right-click on the clip and select Remote Versions, Create New Version. Give it a name or accept the default. As with local versions, the new version inherits the grade of the current version. I'll reset and create a new grade. For all clips to be graded at once, they must all be using the same remote version. In this example, the other clips have not been updated with the new grade because they're still using remote version 1. All that needs to be done is to load the new remote version on those clips as well. Holding down Command, Control and Windows, select the clips. Right-click on any one of them and load the remote version just created, which is Split Tone. Now they all have the same grade. What if you want a clip to be graded differently? Right-click on the clip and under Local Versions, select Version 1, Load. If there's more than one local version, any one of them can be loaded, or you can create a new local version. Now a unique grade can be applied to the clip. It will not be affected by any changes made to other clips. To switch it back to using remote versions, right-click on the clip and under Remote Versions, load the remote version you'd like to use or create a new one. All existing versions, local and remote, remain in existence and can be loaded at any time. Once two or more local or remote versions have been created, they can be compared side by side in the viewer. To compare local versions, a local version must be loaded, and to compare remote versions, a remote version must be loaded. Click the split screen button in the upper left of the viewer. From the drop-down menu, select Version. All local or remote versions are displayed. Pressing Shift-F expands the viewer. A white border surrounds the currently selected or loaded version. To toggle the white border on or off, click the three dots in the upper right of the viewer, and in the split screen submenu, select Show Outline. To view all versions along with the ungraded clip, select Versions and Original from the split screen submenu. Pressing Command-N or Control-N in Windows selects the next version. The original cannot be selected. Click the split screen button again to exit split screen view. Command-N or Control-N can still be used to cycle through and select different versions. To rename a version, right-click on a clip and in the Version submenu, select Rename. To delete a version, right-click and in the Version submenu, select Delete. The currently selected or loaded version cannot be deleted. To delete all local versions, select Delete All Versions from the Local Versions submenu. To delete all remote versions, use the Remote Versions submenu. All versions except the currently selected version are deleted. If no version is selected, the most recently created one will remain to serve as the default. Maybe you've created a local version grade that you'd like to make remote so it can be applied to all the other clips from the same file in the media pool. With that version currently selected, right-click on the clip and select Copy Local Grades to Remote from the menu. If there's more than one remote version, the most recently created remote version will be replaced. Or maybe you've created a remote version grade you'd like to make local. To do that, right-click and select Copy to Local from the Remote Versions submenu. Or, with the remote version loaded, select Copy Remote Grades to Local. Either way, if the clip has more than one local version, the most recently created local version will be replaced. When it comes time to render your project, the currently selected versions will be rendered. Versions will save you time and effort, making the job of color grading that much easier. Thank you for watching.